pointless to drive through here with no food, I know, but you are so handsome. Hi. Yeah, you're so handsome. Go, bro! Go!
Are you ugly on purpose?
Where's the catnip?
You good?
Are you stuck?
Oh. Hi, how you doing?
هات اللحمة هات
Is your food bowl empty? Say yeah! Hey!
Come on, man.
What's dope?
It's pistachio ice cream. You can't do this anywhere else? Max, this is where I draw the line, bud.
Like, are you serious? What?
Is this how you clean your arms? Why are you pretending to eat the shower curtain?
Jealous pet challenge. Whenever your dog is in another room or just isn't paying attention, act like you see something so adorable and see how they react.
Oh my god, it's so cute! Look how little it is!
Hey, no, hey, you have your own bed. Remember how nice it is? Don't you want to sleep in that one? Then I will.
Can you move? Stop! Oh. To you too.
You jumped over these double baked.
He's crazy.
You're adopted.
Here comes the boy. Hello, boy. Welcome. Baby.
Oh!
Stephen! I thought you were dead! Fucking hell!
That's bad. Don't do that.
You.
You keep biting me like that, I will not play with you. Oh, I'm sorry. The heavy metal sound.
真心的收拾下。
There's nothing there. What's wrong?
Haven't you bothered me enough, you big banana head?
Do the roar.
You're not helping. You're not being a very emotionally supportive cat.
You're not as much of a little demon as they thought you were.
Alright, so now I get out with you.
Nessun gatto fa questa cosa qua.
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures.
Jump! Come on!
Oh, good girl.
That's about all he said since you walked up in the road.
The king.
Come here.
Pretty damn good. Shut the fuck up!
Are you dead? Kitty?
Stop.
Bitch, I got Roombas. I make a mess, they show up and clean it. Look at that. This one's extra large.
Aw, look at them bonding.
Can you fit in there? Are you trying to get over here? So sad. And I'm trying to leave, and she literally won't let me. I love you.
Come on.
Iverson, did you splice the kid up without trying?
Why are you sitting on your brother's head?